Hi everyone, welcome to Spread. This is Pooja here, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about social media optimization. Social media is a crowded space, we all know that. Nowadays, we have our favorite specific people, friends, celebrities, influencers to follow. Why do we follow certain specific people, not all? Because we like their content, we adore them from our bottom of our heart, right? The same way, the point I'm trying to say is we can unfollow certain people, and we do. When some social media profile doesn't amuse us, certain people of content doesn't give what we want or expected, we unfollow them. That's the same concept I'm trying to explain here. Great social media content comes with a great planning, and great social media profiles comes with a great planning plus responsible posting. Let's understand this concept. So what exactly social media optimization is? I'm going to explain this in detail with the benefits of it, and also how you can ameliorate your profile branding for your audience. So what is social media optimization? It's a process of analyzing, auditing your social media profile. There are a lot of things that comes under responsible social media profiles. There are certain level of guidelines, I would say a set of rules for particular social media platforms that you should follow to grow and make your profile score ranking better. Just like the SEO, right? What do we do when we say that we are doing SEO audit? We do our website analysis, website traffic, SEO ranking, keywords, indexing. These things will give us an idea that how we are doing with our SEO ranking, right? The same way social media optimization will give us our profile score, how strong our profile is, how we are doing with quality of content engagement, and also it will help us to build a strong brand awareness. Let's check out in details that what are the ways we can increase our social media optimization score and how. Branding style and colors. Since you are running a brand and already on social media profile building, by far you might have figured out that what is your brand color, brand logo, and some aesthetics. If not, then make sure that you have those things first. Make sure that all your social media posts, whatever graphics or video that you put out on social media, have the same aesthetic. Every brand should have some level of brand styling that goes follow in each and every post so people can recognize it. Every brand or color have their own way of expressing certain things. For example, Facebook have a blue color for showing the peace or confidence. Apple have a gray color which shows the simplicity and stability. The same way, there should be some representation of your branding, your choice of aesthetic that you are following, and make sure that it is consistently in one or other way showcasing in all your social media posts. Search friendly profiles. Make sure that you use specific strategic keywords which explain your brand or industry, and make sure to use them in your brand bio. I have one blog where we have explained that how you can make most of your brand bio. I will share the link in the description box below. But the point is, make sure that you have same brand name consistent for all your social media profiles so your audience do not get confused, as well as use specific hashtag. This will allow your profile to get more discovered for your audience. Make sure that whenever you are posting in your brand bio, as well as all your posts have that brand hashtag which people will get familiar with. So when they search your brand, they can search with the hashtag, and you don't want to miss this chance, right? So this is for search friendly profile. Do not miss to have a clear bio and proper hashtag for your brand. Set the links appropriately. You must have done this before, where you are adding your website to your social media profiles. You know the benefit of adding the links on your social media profile is like you are completing the profile score, you are doing better for SMO, social media optimization. There are also other benefits of having the links, appropriate links for your users to understand what service are you providing and what do you offer. Also, it will allow them to interact with your website. They will engage more. It will give them a chance to know you better. So make sure that you have your website or the cross social media platform link to each one of them, where they can go back and forth and know more about your brand. So do not avoid cross platform links and website links for your social media profile. Content frequency. Having the content plan in advance and also having a content posting or management system will allow you to plan your marketing strategy in better way. Make sure that you have content ready and you have proper strategy in place when you are doing social media marketing or content planning. When I say content planning, it means there is no set of rules or a specific algorithm secret that will help you to grow better. You post content when it's ready, right? But if you have content ready or plan in advance, you can track down the performance. Make sure that whenever you post, you study, analyze your content, track your performance, go back and forth and see what's not working for you and what's working for you. Change the plan and strategy and keep going and keep posting. Analytic check. Analytic is nothing but the set of numeric data which will give you a performance of your social media profiles. So you can actually focus on what matters for your social media, right? Social media profiles gives a lot of insights which will give you an idea about your strategy and content planning and performance, but make sure that you are not missing out, checking your strategy versus performance and always improving from that. Spread have a great feature where you can study the detailed analytics of your influencer or a social media journey, your analytics in depth. You can check out on the website, but make sure do not miss out checking the analytics part. Understand, great quality content, the better the reach. Make sure that you are following that. Immense value. Yes, finally we are talking about adding a value. Make sure that how big, small your brand is, how you are starting it with a personal or a business level, do not forget to add value. Ask your users, your audience, what do they want, what problems they are having. Always make sure that you are adding some benefit to them, you are solving their problems, answering their queries, and you are available always for them. Adding a value have its own immense flourishment of a social media brand. People are now considering and expecting to be more personalized or give more attention to their queries or concerns. If you talk about your personal customer issues, you will get more better engagement, and the more better engagement, the more support you will get from your audience. So understand social media audience, target them with problem solving and add value to through your content. Social media marketing comes with a proper set of plan, and everything comes in layers, one after another. You cannot do everything at one place. So make sure, take a step by step and one step at a time. Create social media profiles, add proper links and bio, connect to different content creators, influencers and brands, build community, make sure that what others are doing, add value to there, and it will flourish. Social media profile or your branding will flourish like nothing else. Just make sure that you are following these basic important steps on your social media journey. To start your branding campaign and analyze the journey, log on to Spread. It's an ad tech platform where marketers, brand and content creators collaborate with each other and create strategic content planning and campaigns backed by data and analytics. If you like this video, share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.